Good morning, pupils. Today's lesson is entitled Order of Adjectives. So we are going to learn which is the right order of adjectives. Pra sot do të mësojmë se si të rendisim mbiemrat e ndryshëm në rendin e duhur. What are today's objectives? The first objective is to identify the order of adjectives and adverbs. Practice the order of adjectives, completing different sentence exercises. Form sentences using different adjectives in the right order. Pra kush do jenë objektivat e mësimit të sotëm? Do identifikojmë rendin e duhur të mbiemrave dhe ndaj foljet. Do praktikohemi me rendin e mbiemrave dhe do plotësojmë disa nga ushtrimet. Do formojmë fjali duke përdorur mbiemra të ndryshëm në rendin e duhur. First, let's identify which is the right order of adjectives. Now, we start by the opinion adjective is going to be the first. So, what are some of the opinion adjectives? Silly, beautiful, horrible, difficult, etc. Size: large, tiny, enormous, little, big, small, high, and low, etc. Age: ancient, new, young, old, or antique. Shape adjectives. So adjectives which show the shape: square, round, flat, rectangular, circular. Color adjective. So blue, pink, red, gray, purple, dark, etc. Origin: French, American, Greek, Chinese, Italian, etc. Material adjectives: wooden, metal, cotton, paper, iron, gold, etc. So this is going to be the order of adjectives when we have them all in one sentence. So we are going to put first the opinion adjective, then the size adjective, then the age, shape, color, origin, material. Pra, dhe njerë me pak fjalë. Rendi I mbiemrave do të jetë në fillim mbiemrat e opinionit, pastaj ato që tregojnë masën, moshën, formën, ngjyrën, origjinën dhe materialin. Pra ky do jetë rendi I mbiemrave në një fjali. Now, let's have a look again to the order of adjectives. So, once more, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and at the last one, sometimes we have even purpose adjectives. So, adjectives showing the purpose. And at the end, we put the noun. Now, I'm giving you different examples, and then you have to do some exercises. So, you have here an example: beautiful table, wooden round. And the order, the right order, is going to be a beautiful round wooden table. An unusual ring, gold. An unusual gold ring. A new jacket, nice. A nice new jacket. An old house, beautiful. A beautiful old house. Black gloves, leather. Black leather gloves. So here are some of the examples that I have given to you in order to show the order of adjectives. Pra me pak fjalë, këtu ju kam dhënë disa shembuj për rendin e mbiemrave. And now you are going to do an exercise. From 6 to 20, so from 6 to 20, you have to put the adjectives in the right order and write the sentence at your copybooks. Pra do të rendisni biemra në rendin e dur dhe do t'i shkruani në fletore. Another exercise, you have to choose the correct order of adjectives. So is it going to be A, B, or C? So this is another exercise you have to complete. So now let's continue with the exercises in the textbook, page 85. You have here adjectives, order of adjectives, and adverbs. So I explained to you the order of adjectives: opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material. Now let's have a look at the adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Most adverbs are formed by adding ly to the adjective. Slow, slowly. Pra, tani po flasim për ndajfolje. Zakonisht ndajfolja formohet duke i shtuar mbaresën mbrapa l, y. Slow ngadalë, slowly ngadalësisht. Adjectives ending in le drop the e and take the y. Terrible, terribly. So be careful when we add ly here. We have only to add y. Adjectives ending in consonant plus y, drop the y and take ily. Happy, happily. So be careful. Pra kini kujdes kur mbiemri mbaron me y dhe i shtojmë lë. Y-a transformohet në i. Adjectives ending in consonant l take ly. Careful, carefully. Careful, carefully. Pra kujdes tek mbiemrat të cilët mbarojnë me l dhe kur i shtojmë lë, pra bëhet me l. Adverbs show manner, degree, place, time, frequency, and some adverbs are the same as their adjectives, so they don't change. Pra, disa ndajfolje janë të njëjtë si mbiemrat dhe nuk ndryshojnë, pra nuk marrin baresë. Për shembull, hard, fast, early, late. Okay, so let's continue with one exercise now. You have exercise number 1. Put the adjectives in the correct order. What does each adjective show? So, they gave him black, beautiful English pen. So, they gave him beautiful black English pen. She was wearing a hat. And here you have woolen, red, nice. Here you have probably a new word. Woolen. Prej leshi. Red, so this is material. Red color, and nice is an opinion. And what is the right order? A nice red woolen hat. Now, let's continue with number 3. Whose is this? Leather, rectangular, brown. So, leather is a material. Rectangular is the shape. Brown is the color. And the correct order is a rectangular brown leather briefcase. Let's continue with number 4. She's got a square, small, udon. Square, it's a shape. Small, size, and udon is the material. So now put them in the correct order. And the correct order is small square udon tray on your desk, on her desk. He's got a metallic, so material, round shape, and modern is the age. And correct order, modern, round, metallic box. So this is all we discussed about the grammar today. So now let's continue with lesson 7C. Reading. Look at the pictures and the words in the check these words box. What is the text about? So you see here, we have a picture of a diver in the sea. So what do you think the text might be about? You can even have a look at the word marine biologist, submarine structure. So the text generally is about research station, a biologist in a research station. So let's have a look at the text, and then we are going to explain the new words.
Working in the Big Blue. Everyone loves to take a dip in the ocean every now and then, but few of us would ever even think of working underwater for days on end. That is, unless we were marine biologists, with an ingenious way of staying there. At the Aquarius Reef Base, the only undersea research station in the world, marine biologists and technicians from the University of North Carolina, Wilmington, work for up to 10 days at a time. Aquarius, located off the coast of Florida, USA, is a metal submarine structure anchored to the seabed about 20 meters beneath the surface. It is about the size of a bus and looks like a small space station. As you can imagine, getting to the base is not easy. Aquanauts have to take a boat ride, put on scuba gear, and dive down to it. The base has office and laboratory space, a cabin with 6 bunks and a shower. There are phone, internet, and wireless links to the shore, and Aquarius is continually monitored from the surface. Living and working at Aquarius isn't easy. The food is similar to what astronauts have, and has to be sent down in special pots, or the pressure will turn it into mash. Food cans get squeezed and distorted, and fizzy drinks simply lose their fizz. The fun part is that the pressure also affects the sound of people's voices, and makes them a bit squeaky. Going to the toilet isn't much fun, though. Believe it or not, it is outside, and to get to it, the aquanauts have to swim, even in the dark of night. Once there, they must stand up in it, so that they can breathe from a pocket of air at the top of the structure. The waste disappears in the sea. At the end of each mission, the pressure inside the Aquarius is gradually reduced to equal that of the surface pressure before the aquanauts can return to the surface. Aquarius Reef Base is mostly used to study coral and other marine life. NASA has also used it to train its astronauts to get used to living in isolated and extreme conditions. Most aquanauts enjoy their time there. Aquarius provides a safe environment for scientists to work at understanding our precious planet better.
So now, let's have a look at the new words. The first one.
Dip.
It is a quick swim. A quick swim. You know what is a swim? So a very quick swim.
Marine biologist.
Marine biologist. somebody who studies sea creature and their environment. Pra biolog ujor.
Ingenious.
Clever is your. Clever.
Research station.
A place for scientific research. Pra station Kirkimore.
Submarine structure.
A construction which is located under the surface of the sea. Pra një struktur e cila lokalizohet poshtë sipërfaqes së detit. Pra struktur në ujore. Submarine structure.
Anchor.
To fix a boat in a place with heavy object to prevent it from moving. Të ankorosh, pra të ndalosh një anije në spirancë, pra të ankorosh.
Seabed.
The bottom of the sea or ocean, pra shtrati I detit.
Beneath the surface.
Under the top of the sea, poshtë sipërfaqes.
Aquanaut.
A scientist who stays in an underwater habitat. Pra është një shkencëtar I cili qëndron në një habitat në ujor. Aquanaut.
Scuba gear.
Underwater breathing apparatus and other equipment for swimming underwater. Pra pajisje për zhytje. Scuba gear. Pajisje për zhytje.
Bunk.
A bed on a ship or train. Pra është një shtrat I vogël në një anije ose në një tren.
Wireless.
Without wires. Pra wireless. Patela.
Link.
Something that makes communication possible. Lidhje.
Monitor.
To check something regularly and record information. Ta monitorosh.
Pressure.
The force produced by the quantity of gas or liquid in a place. Pression.
Turn into.
To transform into something else. Pra ta kthehet në diçka tjetër.
Mash.
A soft mass of food. Pra shtypje. Një mas e shtypur.
Squeeze.
To squash. Ta shtypësh. Është folja. To squeeze. Të shtypësh.
Distort.
To change the shape or appearance of something. Të deformosh ose të shtrembërosh.
Fizz.
Bubbles or gas. Gazi që ka një pije e gas. Fizz.
Affect.
To change or have an effect on something. Dikon.
Squeaky.
High pitched. Pra është një zhurmë e lartë. Squeaky.
Mission.
Assignment. Duty. Pra mision.
Gradually.
Little by little. Gradualisht.
Reduce.
To lessen. To decrease. Të ulësh.
Marine life.
Organism that live in the sea. Jeta ujore.
Isolated.
Difficult to reach. I izoluar.
Extreme conditions.
Demanding situations. Pra kushte ekstreme. Now, what you should do is read the text and try to translate it, and later try to say it in your own words. Pra, të mundoni ta përktheni tekstin dhe ta ritregoni atë me fjalët e juaja, aq sa mundeni. Now let's go to exercise number 2. So let's read exercise number 2. Read the text again and answer the question. What exactly is Aquarius? So what is Aquarius? Aquarius reef base is a metal submarine structure anchored to the seabed off the coast of Florida, USA, 20 meters underwater. Who can go there? Aquanauts can go there. They have to take a boat ride and then scuba dive down to it. What is life like at Aquarius? It isn't easy. Aquanauts live in isolated and extreme conditions. Is it difficult to live there, and why? It is difficult because of the pressure. Food can get distorted and drinks lose their fizz. Also, aquanauts have to use an outside toilet. How is Aquarius used? Aquarius is used to study coral and other marine life, and NASA has used it to train astronauts. Now, you don't have place in your books, so you have to write them in your copybooks. You have to write the answer in your copybooks. Pra përgjigjet e pyetjeve, do t'i shkruani në fletore. In exercise 3, can you say 3 things that you can remember from the text? So after you have read the text, you have to retell it and remember at least 3 things about it, which are 3 things that the text has chosen. Aquarius Reef, so let's let the author read it.
Aquarius Reef Base is near Florida, USA. Food must be taken underwater in special containers, or it will turn to mash. NASA has used the base to train astronauts.
So after you have read the text and learned the new words, now it's time to match the words in bold in the text to their meanings. So you should know their meaning now. Exercise 4 is going to be your homework for next time. And with this, I'm saying to you goodbye and see you next time. So don't forget your homework. Exercise number 4, homework. See you. Goodbye.